Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel.
Thanks for joining us. Today we will be showing you ZEPPOLE Di Natale con uvetta, which is a sweet fried dough with raisins. So for this recipe, I have prepared 10 cups of sifted AP flour, a cup and 3/4 of sugar, 3/4 cup of neutral oil, 2 cups of raisins, 1 envelope of yeast, and in a saucepan you will need to warm about 8 to 10 cups of water.
Alright, so what we'll be doing is showing you guys a little closer just how easy this sweet dough recipe is. And let's get straight to it. She'll show us another traditional baked good that you see oftentimes throughout the holidays, and it's just bringing you guys another, like my mother would say, campagna recipe
That's
to
right.
this channel. Alright.
You'll be adding 1 packet of yeast along with 2 cups worth of warm water, stirring together to activate the yeast and then setting aside for later use.
First thing you add is your sugar into the flour, and with your hands just blend it in. Another quick stir to make sure all the grains at the bottom, that we collect everything. This is a very moist, wet, sticky dough. So as you're adding in the yeast, start working it with your hands. Add the oil. I like to spread it all around, half at a time. It's always good to incorporate the ingredients a bit at a time. There we go. And this is a dough that you will need to work at it with 2 hands. Okay, more water. Once you see that the dough is struggling like a little bit to drink in all the water, stop adding the water and mix your dough in very, very well. These are all recipes that were handed down by our grandmothers, mothers, aunts, great-grandmothers. And this is halfway through. Now you could start adding in the raisins, half at a time. Try to spread it, it's okay, try to spread it evenly, like that they don't all clump up at the same place. These were all old recipes that the women would take the ingredients that grew in their area, and they made all these delicious desserts that are still being baked hundreds and hundreds of years after. I would need more water though, Nancy, please. There we go. As you can see, it's a very sticky dough. Very, very moist. This is what you're looking for.
Prepare a plastic wrap and lightly oil it so that it will not stick and constrict the dough from doubling in size during the 2-hour rest time.
So we're back. As you see, the dough has rise. It has to practically double in size. And now we're ready to fry. So you gently oil your spoons. You can use a tablespoon or a teaspoon, whatever size that you like. Then you go into the dough. And we spoon it out. Like I said, it's a really sticky dough. And then you gently put it into your oil. They come all different shapes. They don't have to be perfect. And as usual, don't overcrowd them.
During the frying process, you want to be sure to continuously scoop out any raisins that have separated from the zeppole. These will burn and alter the flavor of your oil. When frying the zeppoles, you want to be sure that you continuously move them around until they've reached their golden brown color. Then you'll be removing them gently and carefully with a spider ladle, placing them in a bowl that is lined with paper towel to absorb the rest of the oil.
Alright, so the zeppoles are all complete. We have traditionally dressed them with a drizzle of honey and also chosen to show you one with a dusting of
Powdered sugar.
or you can just eat them
Plain.
yeah, because they're sweet enough because we've added some sugar to them.
Exactly.
They are delicious, light and fluffy. I'm going to open one up for you so you guys can see. They're pillowy soft. Honestly, so delicious and sweet. We really hope you guys give this one a try. And until next time, happy holidays and continue to
Love what you eat.
love what you eat.
Stay tuned for more mother and daughter baking on Love What You Eat.